it's Ashley from the Loopy Lamb here, and I have my September 2020 Knitcrate to unbox for us today. It came a little later than expected. It came first week of October here, and so as I said before, better crate than never. I think because of everything that's going on with COVID, the mail's just been super delayed. So I still want to share these things as they're coming in with you guys. So as you can see, this month's box isn't the normal teal color that we've come accustomed to seeing. We've got just a normal brown box, not a big deal. You could tell it's a Knitcrate. It's got the little white sticker here that's got the Knitcrate logo on it. So let's open it up and see what we got this month. I always really like this fun paper that they use. Ooh, we've got more teal, guys. I love this color so much. The last crate that I got had a similar color, but this one just seems to have like a little bit more depth to it, and I just love it. All right, let's see. It looks like this crate is a collaboration with Maya Luna Corazon, and it's with Audine Wools for Knitcrate, and this is called Sleek. The colorway is called Utopia, and this is a blend of 55% fine merino wool, 30% baby alpaca, and 15% mulberry silk. There are two hanks here in the box that I can see, and we've got 220 yards per 100 gram hank in the box. So that we've got in total 440 yards. The care is machine wash, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry, and it doesn't say anywhere on here what the weight of the yarn is on the label. That I noticed that about the last Knitcrate too, but I'd probably say just my first guess would be probably worsted weight. The yarn itself has this beautiful sheen to it. I'm not sure if you can catch it on the video or not. I'm just going to turn it to see if the light catches it and you can see it. But it has a really beautiful sheen, which is likely added to the yarn because of the mulberry silk content. So really, really pretty sheen to the yarn. Not as soft as I would have necessarily expected up front, but it is very soft anyways. I use a lot of alpaca yarn, so but there is only 30% alpaca. So I would, my brain every time I see alpaca just thinks like super squishy, super soft, but it is still absolutely lovely. All right, so we've got two of those in there, and they're like cool to the touch when they come out. Very nice. And looks like here's our extra. I don't know that you can see that because of the packaging. So let me open it up. It's a little stitch marker, and I'll read you this. It comes from an Etsy shop called Pink Macaroons, and Macaroons is spelled with a K. Come on now. Oh, I'm just destroying this package. And it looks like this is 100% handmade. They make clay charms, stitch markers, jewelries, felt charms, and more. Okay. And it's just a really cute little lightweight star stitch marker. It's yellow, like it's a really pale yellow. It almost reminds me of that glow in the dark color color. It'd be kind of fun if this did glow in the dark. Not that I'm crocheting in the dark though. But the edges are not sharp, so I don't think I'll have any issues with it snagging, but very lightweight, really, really cute. Have to hide that or one of my kids is going to walk away with it. All right, so we have our pattern book here. Let me just move this box. It does get to be a bit distracting. So here is our inspirations book for September 2020. The really beautiful cabled scarf on the front. So let's take a look. So it says the theme and inspiration for this month's box was Paradiso. This is the woman that they've collaborated with, Maya Luna Corazon, and they tell you a little bit more about her here. And here are the yarns. So we've got Unwind, which is the all natural, which is like a bright green color. The Energize Me color is this called Bliss, which is this bright orange. And then this is the one that I got, which is the Utopia Chill Out Crate. And then if you were getting the sock yarns, these are the fun variegated yarns that you would have received in those. All right. Oh, you know what? It is worsted weight. It says in the book the weight of the yarn. It doesn't say it on the label. So if you're one of those people like me that tends to really super rely on those labels, if you look missing your book, maybe just write it on the label after, if you don't always keep track of the books. But yes, definitely it's worsted weight yarn. Okay. And here are the patterns for this month. It looks like the pattern designed by the collaborator, my goodness, Maya Luna Corazon, are these, it says Valentina, so it looks like kind of like an arm warmer. And then the knit pattern, which is designed by Katrina King of the Threaded Denim Studio, is that beautiful cabled scarf we saw on the front, and some matching fingerless mittens. Very, very cute. And I love these rainbow socks. They're knit. I'm not a big knitter, but I would take it up to make those socks. They're just so fun. And then they've also got the crochet socks here, also designed by Katrina King. And those are also very fun. But like those colorful socks, just so fun. So yeah, it says, actually it's next month. October is Nudess. I believe this one is a collaboration with Knititude. So I'm excited to see what they come up with for that crate. So if you are interested in checking out Knitcrate for yourself, I do have a discount code exclusively for my viewers, and you can receive 20% off your first Knitcrate. And you would go to the link in the description box below for Knitcrate's website. And when you're at the checkout, enter Loopy20 to save 20% on your first Knitcrate. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button and consider subscribing. If you enjoy free crochet patterns, please check out my blog, theloopylamb.com. Thanks so much for watching, happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.